Don from Dr. Smoke.
And Ron here.
We are going to show you the Trek cart. Let's get this thing open, right to the point. Open it up. Let's see what we got.
Let's do it. We haven't even seen this yet.
Nope.
So this is
all
a
new for
first.
us.
Breaking news. Here is your assembly guide. Thank you very much for that.
Cardboard.
What do we have here? It looks like a bottom shelf. Beautiful.
A lot of screws. Looks like a tray to me, with folding brackets.
Collapsible.
Very nice. Stainless steel. I wonder if the whole thing's going to be stainless.
Oh my God, look at these. Look at these legs. Look at those. Stainless steel. This thing is beautiful.
Stainless steel legs. Stainless steel casters.
And the wheels have
Covers on them.
tape on them because people kept complaining about them being dirty. So now they're not.
Let's get these out of the box.
Nice and clean.
Clean wheels.
Clean.
4 screws per leg. Put the lower shelf on the way it's intended to be. Next, front folding shelf. Stainless steel. Goes up front here. Just got to line everything up and unfold these brackets. Retail price of this cart is going to be $189. New Trek coming on in. Now this should just drop right in.
Watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers. This looks really nice.
It fits in there perfect.
Yes, it does.
Absolutely perfect. Beautiful. And we have a couple more bolts to put in.
How tall the cart is. So from top of the folding shelf to the floor, you've got 27.5 inches. And to the handle, about 32 inches. So about a bench height. Nice, easy access. You can fold down this this side shelf.
And
Out of the way for storage. And folding front shelf.
So here we have our beautiful Trek cart. This is all stainless steel. It has a folding front shelf. You can drop down just like that. It has locking caster wheels, which are really nice. Even these are stainless steel. We have a bottom tray with holes in it, and this is the newer style where it just clips into the bolts that are down in there, so you can remove it if you want to. Even these legs are stainless steel, so you're not going to worry about this thing rotting at all.
And what's nice, if you have a Davy Crockett pizza oven, that'll fit right underneath on that shelf.
We have a folding side shelf. This slides into these here and folds down. This is going to be great for people that have a balcony or a smaller area to work with where you really can't fit a full-size grill. Maybe you wanted the Davy Crockett, but it was sitting on the ground. It wasn't at a good level. This is really nice. It's not too tall. You get your shelves. It's stainless, so you can leave this thing outside. You can put a cover on it. It's just a really versatile smoker. You can lift this right out of here to transport it. You can get cases for these, bags. We have bags for them too.
So GMG showed us how they innovate, and they're constantly changing with the market and growing with the market, and we love to see it.
They listened to us. They changed the logo just for me and my OCD and everyone else's OCD. People didn't like the crooked mountain. Now you have a straight one, a beautiful GMG logo that's going to look great on hats and t-shirts and all kinds of apparel.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. and comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say about the new design. Again, these are $189 for retail.
And if you like our t-shirts and our hoodies, let us know. You can go onto our page. We have these for sale. We'll put a link below to our website where you can purchase them.
Thank you as always from Dr. Smoke.